vlog. How are you? I'm so excited for today. We are going to the beach and I'm going to record everything for you, okay? I was thinking maybe I should not do this, but why not? Like, why not? But okay, so I'm waiting on my boyfriend to pick me up. He staged, and today I'm also going to introduce you to the girls. So you know who is staged right now. There are 3 more other girls, and my friend Abby is in Curaçao right now, so I'm so excited, and that's why we decided to do this beach day. We are going to Banabao, which is the west side of Curaçao, and we are going to Porto Mari. This is my first time ever going to Porto Mari, so I'm so excited about this. And I don't think I'm really going to swim, but I'm going to take pictures. Yeah, so yeah, I also have my ponytail here, but I said that if it's going to bother me, I'm just going to unwrap it and, you know, put it in a bun or whatever. This is not going to keep me from getting into the water. And I have this bow here. This is my sunglass for today. It's really cute. When I bought it, I didn't like it, but I mean, it's cute. So okay, I will see you in a few. Muito quero na ratuan. É como que tu tem vídeo? É bem para mim tá abrir? Sim. Hi guys, I'm Serena. This is Kiyomi. This is Abigail. And what else? Wait. Hi Mel. Our driver. Where are we going? To Porto Mari. Woo! Look at Kiyomi's hair. Oh, so cute. We're on our way. Será que você está tão inconfortável aqui, não? So we are in the supermarket and we are going to buy some snacks for the beach. Stage. What are you going to buy? Oh. Hi guys. Okay, so she got some peanuts. But I don't know what else we are going to buy yet. I think chips and maybe biscuits. I don't know. We will see. I don't know what I'm going to buy yet. I just want some juice. This looks good. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you, feel me. Always gonna be a bitch that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes fresher than the one you got. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tour. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride of the gun. Gotta watch the time.
So I just took some pictures. I will insert them on the screen. And I'm going to take more and then I'm going to swim. I decided I still want to swim, so that's what we are going to do.
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things will start.
Wow.
Okay, let's see.
Perdiamo il viento, questo è il problema.
Nope.
Se no il viento la cade, prendo il viento.
Okay,
Perché ti dipende anche da leader.
let's go.
Tirei home? Quanto che mi da leader?
Sì, ma...
E no, vai dale ne va ne.
Mi sta gravando, poi mani un'ora.
Abi aqui, pessoal, vou botar out me. Como que me adianta? Vá aqui.
Behind the scenes with the girls. Hey. Everyone got their pictures, so that's good. Her. Cute. Okay guys, so we are done. We are tired. We swam for like...
We're just done swimming. Yeah, a lot of
for
fun.
like 2 hours.
And now we're gonna eat.
Yeah, we are going to eat. I don't know what I'm going to order yet, but we will see. I think I will just eat a hamburger or something, but I look tired.
Hi vlog.
My
We're gonna eat
hair
hamburgers
is
with
all
rice.
messed up. And also I have this cute cover up. I love it. One day I will take pictures with it, but not today.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair.
Hey vlog. We're just done eating. Keep it the hell out. Hey vlog. We're just done eating. Me and Kiyomi. The food was incredible. My drink.
Was water.
Enjoying life. Life is good. You know what I mean? Like.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby?
So we are going home. We are tired and we are very full. And yeah, so it's a long ride to go back home. And I hope you enjoyed.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up.
Yes.
Lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go, go.
$100,000 for a nigga that get food. I just heard
shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis. With justice, poetic justice. If I told you that
Hi vlog, so I just got home. It's almost 10 p.m. so it's very late and my hair is a mess, so I need to wash my hair right now because I have school tomorrow. I'm very tired, but yeah, that's the aftermath of a beach day. So in this video we mostly talked Papiamento, which is our native language in Curaçao, if you didn't know that, but I did my best to put the captions. I hope you enjoyed. This was kind of different, and let me know if you enjoyed. My friends, if you would like to see them more on this channel too, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.